In this section of the test, you will have an opportunity to demonstrate your ability to understand conversations and talks in English. There are 3 parts in this section with special directions for each part. Answer all the questions on the basis of what is stated or implied by the speakers in the recording. There will be time for you to read the instructions, and you will have a chance to check your work. The recording will be played once only. At the end of the test, you will be given 7 minutes to transfer your answers to an answer sheet. Now, turn to Part 1. Part 1. Directions. In this part, you will hear 8 short announcements or instructions. There is 1 question for each announcement or instruction. For each question, choose the right answer, A, B, C, or D. Then on the answer sheet, find the number of the question and fill in the space that corresponds to the letter of the answer that you have chosen. We are ready to start. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 8. Now, listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 8. Question 1.
I hope you've all enjoyed tonight's dinner. It is now time to welcome this evening's guest speaker, Carol Draper. Ms. Draper is the Editor-in-Chief of Investors Weekly magazine. She took over the position of editor just over 2 years ago, and in that short time, the magazine has become one of the most influential publications in finance. Ms. Draper is also a well-respected, best-selling author in the field of investment. She will speak tonight on long-term trends in interest rates, a subject she's dealt with at length in her latest book, Money Moves. Ms. Draper has also agreed to take questions from the floor after her talk. Let's have a big hand for Carol Draper.
Question 2.
You have reached the airport ticket counter of Eagle Rent-A-Car. Thank you for calling. We regret to inform you that we are currently closed. Operating hours at this location are from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., Monday through Friday, and 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on weekends. If you need rate information or would like to make a rental reservation at this time, please call our nationwide toll-free number, which is available 24 hours a day, or visit us on the web at www.eaglerents.com. We look forward to serving you.
Question 3.
Troy County Library patrons, may I have your attention, please? This is a public safety announcement. Due to an emergency maintenance situation, the children's section on the ground floor is being closed at this time. This section of the library has suffered a burst pipe. If you have children there, please escort them from the area. All other sections of the library will remain open today until our normal closing time of 9 p.m. Inasmuch as we cannot predict the maintenance situation tomorrow, those planning to bring children to the library are advised to call before coming in. We apologize for the inconvenience and hope to have things back to normal as soon as possible.
Question 4.
Attention Flowmart customers. If you want a great deal on batteries, just follow the flashing yellow light to our electronics department. Right now, as long as the yellow light is flashing, you can get 25 to 40% off name brand batteries in all sizes. Need batteries for your smoke detector, flashlight, or children's toys? How about the TV remote control? Get to the electronics department and pick them up at great savings. Hurry now and get those batteries you keep meaning to buy, or buy some to keep in stock. Remember, the discount is only good while the Flowmart yellow light is flashing. After that, it's back to our normal everyday low prices. You don't want to be the only one in town paying full price.
Question 5.
You're listening to Newton Radio. Well, now it's 15 past the hour and time once again to move to the Climate Network's hourly nationwide weather update. Our top story today: there is still a tornado warning in effect in the south, where twisters earlier today killed 4 people and left dozens injured. The tornadoes destroyed dozens of buildings and have left hundreds homeless. Emergency workers are in the area tending to the injured and trying to find shelter for them before nightfall. Bad weather remains elsewhere in the country, also as heavy rain continues to soak the western mountains. Some of our affiliated stations there are reporting up to 5 inches in the last 12 hours. Needless to say, many roads and highways are closed throughout the region.
Question 6.
Attention all employees. There is a blue pickup truck in back of the plant that is blocking loading ramp number 6. Would the owner of this vehicle, license plate number CA990, kindly remove it? It must be moved immediately as it is blocking deliveries. Once again, a blue pickup truck with the license plate CA990 is blocking a loading ramp, and it must be moved right away. If the vehicle is not moved in the next 10 minutes, it will be towed away at the owner's expense. We ask you to please note that parking is available across the street in the Pay and Display parking lot. We urge you to use this parking lot during the plant's operational hours for all vehicles not involved in deliveries.
Question 7.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to welcome you aboard the Capital Express, the only non-stop service to Washington. If this is your first trip on the Express, you are about to experience rail service like no other in the country. The Capital Express is the fastest passenger train operating in North America, reaching speeds of up to 105 miles per hour. For our international passengers, that's 175 kilometers per hour. Today's trip to Washington will take just over 3 hours, compared to the nearly 6 hours that it takes on a conventional train. To make your journey even more pleasant, we will be offering a refreshment service as soon as the train departs. Choose from a selection of teas and coffees, cold drinks, and tasty snacks. Enjoy your ride.
Question 8.
Larry, it's Mom. I forgot to tell you this morning, but I have something going on after work today and won't be home until 8, so I won't be able to get dinner ready for you tonight. Go ahead and fix yourself some dinner whenever you're hungry. There's a pizza in the freezer, so you can help yourself to that if you want it. Have a salad or some other vegetables with it, though, okay? And you can have some ice cream too if you'd like, but don't take too much. Oh, and I don't mind if you watch TV, but don't invite anyone over, and be sure to get your homework done before I get home. I don't want you staying up late because you didn't do it earlier.